How to browse internet on Roku TV. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. On Roku TV, as of now, there is no app that you can use to browse internet. However, you can still do this by casting your smartphone device or computer or any other device on Roku TV. You can screen mirror a web browser from one of those external devices. Now, there are two methods on how you can do that. Method one is Roku screen mirroring. For this, you want to prepare your Roku TV and the device, such as smartphone, tablet, or computer. Make sure that both Roku TV and that device is connected to same Wi-Fi network. Then you want to enable screen mirroring on your Roku TV. For that, go to Roku TV's setting, select System, then select Screen Mirroring. Select Screen Mirroring Mode and choose either Prompt or Always Allow. Then you want to enable screen mirroring on your device. For Android, you want to open the Quick Settings menu by swiping down on the top of your screen, then tap Cast or Screen Mirroring. Now select your Roku TV from the list. For iOS, swipe down on the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring and select your Roku TV from the list. Then you want to start casting. Method 2 is using casting applications. You want to install the casting application such as this one on your device. Open the app on your device, look for the casting icon and tap on it. Select your Roku TV from the list of available devices. Depending on the app, you may need to follow additional on-screen instructions to start casting. Once you have started casting, you can open the browser on your device. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.